Listen to me. If you are retired, or if you are getting ready to step into retirement, congratulations. You've worked hard, you've saved, and now you deserve peace of mind. But peace of mind means knowing exactly where every single penny of your money is going, especially when you are sending money to family, friends, or grandchildren across the country or around the world. So many of you have been asking me about modern transfer services like Paysend. You want to know, does Paysend have a debit card? Can I get a physical card in my wallet to spend my money, draw cash at an ATM, or hand to a loved one? Let's get straight to the bottom line right now. If you are living in the United States or Canada, the answer is no. Paysend does not currently offer a physical or virtual debit card for everyday spending or ATM withdrawals in North America. Now, I don't want you to panic, and I certainly don't want you to throw your hands up in frustration. But I do need you to pay very close attention to what Paysend actually is, why people get confused about this, and most importantly, how you can use this tool safely without making costly mistakes with your retirement nest egg. Why is there so much confusion about this? It's simple. Paysend is built on what they call card-to-card technology. When you hear the word card used over and over in their advertisements, it's completely natural to assume, oh, they must be sending me a debit card. But that is not how it works. Think of Paysend as a high-speed financial bridge, not a traditional bank account. You do not open a checking account with them. They do not mail you a shiny piece of plastic to keep in your wallet. Instead, Paysend takes money from your existing bank debit card or credit card here at home and transfers it directly to someone else's existing bank account or debit card anywhere in the world. Now, why does this matter to you right now? Because the biggest fear in retirement isn't just running out of money, it's losing control of it. You've spent decades building your savings. You cannot afford to lose money to hidden fees, confusing apps, or transfer delays when a child or grandchild needs help. Many retirees tell me, Susie, I want to send $200 to my daughter overseas, or help my grandkids with college expenses, but traditional bank wire fees are eating me alive. And you're right. Traditional banks love to charge you $30, $40, or even $50 just to wire your own hard-earned money across borders. On top of that, they hide extra charges and terrible exchange rates. That is money coming directly out of your retirement budget, and I am not okay with that. This is where Paysend can actually be a useful tool for you, if you use it correctly. Instead of paying a massive wire fee, Paysend generally charges a low, flat transfer fee, often just around $2, and shows you the exact exchange rate before you press send. The money lands directly on the recipient's debit card or bank account, often within minutes. You don't need a Paysend debit card to do this, you just use the debit card you already have from your home bank. But here is where you must stand powerful and protect yourself. I want you to take notes on these actionable steps right now. First, never use a credit card to send money on transfer apps. I cannot stress this enough. If you link a credit card to Paysend or any transfer service, your credit card company will likely treat that transaction as a cash advance. Do you know what that means? Cash advance fees start immediately, and interest rates on cash advances can skyrocket to 25% or 30% from day one with no grace period. Always link a standard bank debit card tied to your checking account instead. Second, double-check the recipient's information before you tap send. Because Paysend moves money fast, once that transaction goes through to another person's card, it is almost impossible to pull back. Verify the account or card numbers character by character. Take your time. Never rush when money is moving. Third, keep your main retirement savings separate. Do not keep large pools of cash sitting in unlinked or third-party digital wallets. Keep your core savings safe in insured FDIC banks or credit unions, and only use transfer services as the pipe to move specified amounts when needed. If your goal is to have a prepaid or manageable debit card to control your spending in retirement, or to hand to a caregiver or family member, Paysend is not the tool for that job. For that specific need, you would look at traditional bank debit cards, reloadable prepaid cards like Bluebird or Green Dot, or specialized family cards. So, let's recap the truth. Paysend does not issue you a debit card in the US or Canada. It is purely a transfer service designed to move money efficiently from your current debit card to someone else's. You are in the driver's seat of your financial life. When you understand the tools you are using, you eliminate fear, you eliminate hidden fees, and you keep more of your hard-earned wealth right where it belongs, working for you in your retirement. Stand tall, stay informed, and secure your money.